Chef Hooray tries Cat Joel's restaurant in Puerto Princesa, Palawan. Pagdating namin dito, kailangan pala magtanggal ng shoes at kailangan naka-socks lang or nakapaa. Kasi, nakita nyo naman, nakakahiya din naman magkalat kasi sobrang linis niya. Very neat, ang ganda at very classic. See, even yung comfort room is very clean. Likod naman, very spacious siya. Yung garden, sobrang daming trees and daming lights. It's very Instagrammable. Tapos, sa loob, ang dami namin kasabay din na nag-dine. And nakakatuwa tong punong ito dahil ang dami niyang saba. So, babalik na kami kay Adal. Okay na yung order namin. Pineapple shake. Kung appetizer, dumating na yung laing rolls. For me, okay naman siya. Medyo naninibago lang din talaga ako because ang flavor talaga ng Palawan I observe is medyo matamis yung timpla. And then dumating naman tong calamares. And then itong Cat Joel's fried rice na parang pyramid. Next dish is one of my favorite is ang octopus or ang coconut octopus, then ang lato, ensaladang talong, at ang chicken binakol, a flavorful soup. Next is dumating naman ang Palawan seafood sisig. And then iba ng extra soup and extra meat na nasa buko. At dumating naman ang Blue Marlin sizzling. Ang dami ko nakain, ang sarap, ang ganda ng ambience. One of the best restaurants here in Puerto Princesa, Palawan. At ito yung menu, pwede nyo gawing reference. See you again next time. Dito lang yan sa Chef Hooray!